The PROGRIP lock mortising jig brings accuracy to an otherwise challenging task. The 3-position cam clamps securely hold the fixture to the door edge. Drill bushings of the size required are easily adjustable. A simple depth guide is employed. Repositioning of the bushing is done without the need of tools. Adjustable width and end stops control the travel of the router during shallow mortising. All that's left is light cleanup with a chisel. The same procedure can be done in a vertical orientation as when a door is already hung. For stability, the door would be properly blocked, preventing it from swinging. Cylindrical door latches are easy to install with the door drilling fixture. The edge bore position can be finely adjusted by the 2 clamping screws. The 2-sided guide allows the operator to drill from both sides, preventing breakout. Drilling of hung doors is just as easy.